Alright, I'm out here at Mill Road in Decatur, Alabama. Got a small update here, and honestly it's why I really wish CSX just go ahead and get the signals at Tabernacle Road and Hartselle finished up so I can get my S&NA North compilation done, because I'm waiting on those signals to be activated, and they've been in place for months, but CSX ain't done yet. So this is kind of what I was afraid of. CSX here has replaced the gate arm and all the gate lights on this signal, and now they are all NEG LED gate lights, which means now I have to go back through and get as close to one of the gate lights. It means I'm gonna have to go back there and refilm this crossing. So that's 2 crossings left now on the S&NA North I gotta get, but it was down to 1, but because Tabernacle Road, last I checked anyways, ain't been finished yet. And something tells me I would not be surprised if the signals are still not active for months yet or something like that. I ain't able to complete the S&NA North, so I'll probably see about getting a newer video of this crossing once Tabernacle Road gets activated and I can finally record that one. But anyways, yeah, just a small update here, just new gate arms, some new gate lights. And apologies for ranting a bit, I'm just kind of annoyed that CSX somehow, despite the signals being in place down there at Tabernacle Road and Hartselle, they still have yet to activate them. Over and out.